This is a strong point, talking about connector cost efficiency, because as you know, gas prices goes up, a lot of different things goes up in terms of cost as well. So here we identified 4 major cost drivers. One is tax, the second one is freight cost, the other is maintenance cost, and then material cost. So for example, a basic customs duty can be around 10 to 15%, right? We can manage this through, for example, a localized manufacturing, or deal with the country where it's manufactured with free trade agreements, right? Okay. Freight costs, it can be reduced by using sea shipments, for example. And then we have this, what we call a CKD, a complete knockdown design, where a connector and cable don't need to be shipped out altogether, because you know the cable, it costs like 80% of the whole width of the whole product. So we have this connector where we can supply the parts of the connector to the OEM, and OEM will be able to assemble it themselves, buy their own cable, and then can use it on their time. And another one is about the maintenance cost. It increases when connector issues and defects occur, right? Then it reduces equipment and battery life. A quality connector product is very important here. And also, if we have a connector design where it is replaceable, easily replaceable, like I was telling you earlier, this will solve the issue. And another point is the material cost, where material cost is mainly driven by the copper alloy material, metal, specifically copper usage. We try to optimize the copper usage to minimize it, so that we can have a good design where we can optimize the usage and at the same time maintaining the maximum current carrying capacity. What I'm trying to say here, the cost optimization should not focus only on unit price, because there are different points involved here. A good connector design can reduce copper use intelligently. I mean, you can cut freight weight, can lower maintenance events, and improve life cycle economics. That is where engineering and the commercial strategy comes together. Okay, that is for connector cost efficiency.